Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download and install Smartbooks on your device. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit www.mysyllabooks.com. On the home page, click the Explore Smartbooks button. This will take you to the Smartbooks page. Next, click the Download Smartbooks button to open the Smartbooks Downloads page. Here, you'll need to select your user type, either teacher or student. Then, choose your classroom and your device's operating system from the available options. Once you've made your selections, click Download and wait for the installation file to finish downloading. When the download is complete, open your File Explorer and locate the Smartbooks installation file. Double-click the file and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. After the installation is complete, double-click the Smartbooks icon to launch the application. Enter the required information in the registration form. Your school code and student code will have already been sent to your email. Finally, click Register to activate Smartbooks on your device. And that's it, Smartbooks is now installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching.